Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Whimsical for free in 2026. Whether you're creating flowcharts, mind maps, wireframes, or diagrams, the free plan gives you plenty to get started, so let's dive in. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account using your Google account or email. Once you're on the dashboard, click *** new board ** to create your first project. Yeah, this is where all your ideas come together. Now choose the type of board you want to create, like a flowchart, mind map, wireframe, or a blank canvas. Then start adding shapes, connectors, text, and sticky notes to build your project. You can drag and drop elements, zoom in or out, and organize everything however you like. You know, it's really beginner-friendly. If you want to collaborate, click the ** share * button and invite teammates or generate a view-only link. Just keep in mind that the free plan has some limits on shared boards and collaboration features, and that's it. You're now ready to use Whimsical for free and start creating professional-looking diagrams and visual projects. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.